Weather-wise, it has been a fantastic day for some golf at the Club Card Championship out at the landings on Skidaway Island. We've had a lot of sunshine and very warm temperatures. That's the case for us. Taking a look at our Savannah camera view overlooking downtown and the Savannah River. Temperature-wise, starting to cool off now into the upper 80s for most of us, but we did reach the upper 80s to lower 90s, tying the record high for this day in March of 2021, which was 89 degrees. We made it to 89 degrees for today, and we are looking at similar conditions around the coastal empire and low country. That sea breeze starting to cool off our coastal communities off a little bit more than our inland communities, but with a mainly clear sky for tonight. Temperatures will be able to cool off a little bit more. Upper 50s, lower 60s expected by Saturday morning. As we do go through the day tomorrow, though, for the Club Card Championship, the wind will become an issue. Winds will be gusting up to around 30 miles per hour for us at times. That will certainly have an issue on play with accuracy with those shots on the fairways trying to get to the greens, but our Vipercast shows us that with those temperatures we will be in the 60s, but for those winds still gusting up to 30 miles per hour or more for us at times going through the afternoon and into the early evening hours. In our satellite and radar imagery, we do see the cold front that is going to be coming in tomorrow. That will bring us those gustier conditions. A little bit of cloud cover will come along with that early in the day, but that will clear out with the drier air funneling in behind that front. And because of that front bringing in that dry air, we do have a red flag warning in place for the coastal empire low country because of a fire risk, a wildfire risk, and that is going to be between 8 o'clock and 8 p.m. tomorrow. So that's on Saturday, and basically that means anything that's in the way of a fire that can spread very quickly because of the wind and very dry conditions. So burning is not recommended, and also there are burn bans in place for parts of the region. So definitely listen to the authorities on that, and it's just really not recommended when you have strong winds like that. So definitely watch out for that. The fire danger is a little bit greater for our inland communities where it is at the critical level. So we will see that improve over the second half of the weekend, but for Saturday, that's the day to really maybe not even go outside with the barbecue, because we could have some pretty decent issues, or pretty significant issues rather, with those fire issues. The drought conditions continue to expand across the area. The exceptional drought really expanding into the southwestern part of the area. So that is part of the reason why, along with that dry air and windy conditions, we do have the fire risk across our area. For tonight, it will be mainly clear, cooling off into the upper 50s, lower 60s. We keep the wind out of the south, so it will be humid overnight, but then for tomorrow, those winds shift out of the northeast behind that front. We'll have a mainly sunny sky for us at times, temperatures in the upper 60s to lower 70s, but those winds will be gusting up to around 30 miles per hour, so definitely be aware of that. For the boaters, we do have gale warnings in place along the Georgia and South Carolina coast, so keep the smaller boats at the dock. Those seas are going to be dangerous for tomorrow. As far as the 7-day forecast, things are going to be improving for Sunday and beyond as far as the winds calming down a bit. 70s for highs by Sunday, mid-70s for Monday going into next week. The 80s return for us, and at the end of the week, there is the chance for a few spotty showers, but that's about it. No significant measurable rainfall is in the 7-day forecast, and even going beyond that, the 7 to 10-day forecast looking like conditions are going to be mainly dry and also very warm as next week goes on. That's a check of your weather forecast for now. We'll send it back to Andrew in the studio.
All right, thanks so much. And coming up, we'll be back live.